Well, after Gopal Kanda and his aide Aruna Chadha, two more people are under the scan in the Geetika Sharma suicide case.
Well, let's take you through the details now. The Delhi cops are all set to widen the probe. Two more names, those of starlet Nupur Mehta and Geetika's former co-worker Ankita Singh, are going to be investigated.
Now, the Delhi cops are all set to question Nupur Mehta. Special teams have already been sent to Goa, where key accused Gopal Kanda reportedly employed Geetika and Nupur in one of his companies.
Geetika had named Nupur in the case she filed against Ankita. Ankita on her part was named by Nupur in a suicide note. Geetika had accused Ankita of tormenting her in Goa and filed an FIR.
Now, she was allegedly pressured to drop the case as well. Nupur held a crucial position in Kanda's Goa company, and Geetika worked under Nupur in the MDLR airline. Nupur can reveal if Kanda harassed Geetika, and she can also throw light on the relationship between the two.
Well, the Delhi police has so far failed to trace Ankita Singh despite questioning her family in Bhopal. While a search is on for Ankita in Goa, Delhi cops suspect that she might be in Singapore.
Now, Ankita was an associate of Shivroop Singh, accused of sending forged and defamatory emails to Geetika Sharma and her employers in Dubai. Headline says Vijay Kaur has been tracking developments. Vijay, with each passing day, there's been new leads and fresh details that the police investigators have been able to access. But what is the real movement in the case? Are we talking about a strong, watertight case now, at least, against Gopal Kanda?
Well, Aditya, that is yet to be ascertained. The whole point, the whole basis of all these investigations is the police want to establish the fact whether Geetika was truly harassed by Gopal Goyal Kanda and his associates. Now, as it seems, and with every passing day, this whole web of people is becoming more and more complicated and is becoming wider. Now, the main aim of the police is to establish whether or not Geetika committed suicide because she was harassed by Gopal Goyal Kanda and his aides. Now, the point is, they also want to establish whether there was one particular incident that could have harassed her, or there were series of incidents which could have been building up over a period of time ever since Geetika joined the MDLR group, and because of which she ended up committing suicide. Now, the Delhi police has said that there are a few people who figured in the whole investigation, be it Ankita, be it Shivroop, Nupur Mehta. The Delhi police are still looking for Ankita, who's one of the main people that the police want to interrogate, because as we all know, she had a showdown with Geetika while they were in Goa. Now, the Delhi police is also saying that they will also try and quiz the doctor of the abortion clinic where Geetika allegedly got her abortion done, but that they said they will do only after they have ascertained the legality of the abortion, and only then will they go and approach that clinic. So,
lots of groundwork that still needs to be done from what Vijay Kaur is telling us. Vijay will continue to get us the very latest on the story. Right now, Vijay, many thanks for having joined us with those details.